Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn partial speech. Usually we learn there are 8 part of speech, but some writers, some people think that there are 9 part of speech. There are 9, while there are some people say there are 8 part of speech. What's the difference that 9 articles also some people include it or call it as part of speech. Otherwise there are 8. If we don't count the 9th one article, then we can say there are 8 part of speech. If we count it as a part of speech, then we would say that there are 9 part of speech. 9 noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and article. You learn them. I'll explain and give their examples one by one. First of all, we will learn noun. What's noun? Then we learn its kinds. Noun, a word that refers to a person, place, thing, or anyone or any idea. That is called a noun. Examples is teacher. Person itself is a noun. Place itself is a noun. Thing itself is a noun. Any idea is also noun. Word is also noun. Everything is noun that way. Examples: teacher, student, college, market, pen, book, cat, horse, etc. In other words, we can say that noun is a naming word. Here is of noun. Now you learn the kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? There are 5 kinds of noun. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, material noun, and collective noun. Okay, so we will learn other kinds in the next lecture. Okay, now we will study what's common noun. A name which is given to a person, place, thing, or animal. Generally or commonly is called a common noun, such as man means animal, no particular, boy, girl, okay, from persons, like place, like school, hospital, college, university, is general. Okay, mystically we have something, any place, any person. Then from things, pen, book, and from animals, cow, goat, dog, horse is common, not a proper noun, not a particular noun to any particular person or place or thing. This is called common. Now we will study proper noun. A name which is given to a person, place, thing, or animal properly, particularly, is called a proper noun. Means a name is already common, but when we suppose any person, any place, man, boy, girl, woman, this is common. When we give to these a particular name, a proper name, then it becomes proper noun. Suppose man, which man? So suppose we say Arif. Okay, which boy? Arif. A girl, which girl? So girl and boy are common. When we give a particular name to it, proper name to it, then it becomes proper noun. Suppose we call it Fatima. One thing you must mind that proper does not mean that a person who is very famous, who has done something extraordinary or something very good. That can be a person of that somebody has never done anything. Even then we call that as a proper noun. Suppose college. Now college is common noun. Okay. But when we give any college any name, because you think that this college or that college is not good college, that does not provide quality of education, whatever we say, but despite that whatever the name that college is given, that will be proper noun. Suppose Shahid Mehdi could go Law College. This is proper noun. And this is not what's this? This is marker. This is a recognition of this thing. This is we call it marker. Now, if I ask somebody to buy a marker, then he will buy a marker of any company. But if I tell him the particular name of any particular company, that will become a proper noun. So I say you must buy dollar marker, you must buy dollar pen, piano pen, or any pen that you like, then that will be a particular name proper, and then that becomes proper noun. Dollar pen becomes proper noun. This way, if I ask anybody to buy a book, now any book itself is a common noun, but when I give it a proper name, by Oxford practice grammar, that becomes proper noun. High school English grammar by Anne Martin. Okay. Because if we have any animal, dog, horse, camel, cow, if we give it any particular name, proper name, okay, we call it by Tony or any other name, we call that animal by giving any name, proper name, particular name, that makes it proper and particular, that becomes proper noun. Now you understand what's abstract noun. A noun that can't be touched, that we cannot touch, or that we cannot see, that one cannot see, one cannot touch. Neither one can see nor one can touch. A noun that cannot be touched or seen, but can be felt. That it means a noun that has relation with feelings, without feelings. That is called an abstract noun. Such as, fragrance we feel, we can't touch or see. Smell, sweet smell, bad smell, whatever smell it is, we feel it. We can't see or we can't touch it. Anger, happiness, honesty, dishonesty. These are the examples of abstract noun. Now you see what's a material noun. A noun from which we can produce other nouns, from which we can make other things. That is called a material noun. A noun from which other nouns, other names, other things, other products are produced is called a material noun. Means a noun from which we can make other things. Like this is this is whiteboard. It is made from wood, and this is wall made from cement. From cement we can make bricks and many other things. This is also material noun. In this way, wood, you can make many things, different things. You know, I think I don't need to tell you. We use in our daily life many things made from wood. In this way, many things are made from iron as well, plastic, rubber, and from milk. Other nouns are made. What is a noun? And from wood we make other nouns like chair, table, and many other things. Furniture is many different furniture, tables, and dice as well. So we many different things. This is why we call it a particular material noun, right? So a noun from which other nouns are produced, that is called a material noun. Okay, now we will study what's collective noun. Word itself clarifies, explains, defines collective. Okay, it means a collection. A name which is given to a group of people, things, or animals is called a collective noun. You know, class or team, single name, one single name. It will be different teams, but team itself, you know, we have different number of players in different teams. The team would be of any game, or it could be a team of any work, okay, any union, okay, community union itself. The name is singular, but it's not single. It does not talk about single person. It talks about different people, various people, and more than one. It's a group of people. Family. In family we have many members. Okay. Class. In class we have sometimes hundreds of students in a class, but name is one. Single name is given to the whole class. The all students of the class. It doesn't mean when we have 12 things of anything, then we call it a dozen. So this is why a name is given to a group of people, things or animals like floor and other things. So this is why we call it a collective noun. Okay, now we will study pronoun. What's pronoun? A word that is used instead of a noun, that is called a proper, that is called a pronoun. A word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. Instead of using name again and again, we use pronouns to avoid the repetition of a noun. So a word that we use to avoid the repetition of a noun, that is called a pronoun. Such as Muhammad Arif is my son. He has a YouTube channel named is Arif J. Now here, instead of using Arif again, Muhammad Arif again, I did not repeat the name. Instead of using name, I used word he instead of Muhammad Arif. Instead of Muhammad Arif, I used word he. So this is what this word is called pronoun. A word that is used instead of a noun in place of a noun to avoid the repetition of a noun. Because if we repeat the noun again and again, then it becomes awkward. This is why we use, and every time we use the case, we use pronouns to avoid the repetition of a noun. That word is called pronoun. Yes. Okay, now we will learn kinds of pronoun. What are the kinds of pronoun? How many kinds of pronoun are there? Personal pronoun, and we will inshallah learn them, explain them. I'll explain them one by one. First of all, we will just in this lesson we will just know which are those words. First of all, personal pronoun is we will learn the table of personal pronoun, the whole table of personal pronoun. It will take time. It's very important tab to be learned, and it needs a lot of, especially for beginners, it's very special. It's very important. Reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, distributive pronoun, and demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronoun. Understand? So we will learn one by one, inshallah, to all of them.